I'm Rhidian Glyn and I farm at Rhiwgriafol, Talwern, Machynlleth. It's a 530 acre farm, mainly being an improved hill. We keep 700 breeding ewes, Tregaron type, 55 to 60 kilos, scanning at about 1.5 lambs an ewe. We've put in Swedes this year and last. It's a way of reducing our feed costs and also keeping grass for the spring for turnout out of the shed. The variety of Swedes we've grown is Invitation. They're winter hardy and I can graze them up until mid-March. I strip graze them with electric fencing, 3 strands of wire to stop the ewes getting through, and feed some haylage as roughage, as well as a run back of grass. The twin bearing ewes will be on the Swedes up until a fortnight before lambing, the singles a week before lambing. Some will be housed, some will be on grass, where they'll receive a 20% protein concentrate for a fortnight before lambing and for a fortnight after.